Hello class, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do your discussion boards. So the class has 4 discussion boards in total. The first one is, they are all due at the end of the semester. See, the second. So they are all due the week before the final exam. So you have the entire semester to complete them. The only discussion board that's slightly different than the other ones is the 4th one, because in this one you have a topic of your choosing that you're going to do a slight, very tiny research on, learn a little bit, and then talk about it. I'm going to use the first discussion board as an example here. So let's read. Download the Linux command line by William Schutz, which is the book for the class. You can either get it from this page over here, or you can get it from the link that says textbook over here. It's the same link to the same book. So let's download this book. I don't have a PDF reader in this computer, so give me 1 second while I install a PDF reader. Okay, so now I have a PDF reader, which is good because now I can read the PDF. So read the story in the introduction page, page XV1, then watch the following videos. So let's go and open the PDF file. I'm gonna open with Sumatra PDF, and we're going to the page XV1. So this is the introduction here. You need to read this all the way until here. That's it. Read this part. Then once you're done reading that, you're gonna watch this video, Open Source Explained. It's a 6-minute video, very informational. Then you're gonna watch this video, which is the rise of open source software, 13 minutes long. Once you're done with that video, you're gonna watch this video. Switch to this open source app if you like, if you're stuck on Windows or Mac OS. Also very good video. Not the ad, I don't, wait until the ad is done. Yeah, from the Linux Experiment. It's a great YouTube channel. If you're getting into Linux, I suggest you subscribe to this gentleman. He does amazing videos every week. Very informational. So once you are, wow, YouTube, that's why I pay, that's why I use YouTube Premium, because these ads, man, these ads are crazy. Okay, so once you're done watching this video, this 15 minutes long, you are going to create a thread containing a single paragraph, 5 to 8 sentences. You're going to talk about something you learned, either from watching the videos or from reading the page that I suggested from that book, you know, or from both. Just 5 to 8 sentences talking about something you learned. If you don't want to create a paragraph, you can create a list of 8 things you didn't know that now you know. And after you are done creating your thread, you are going to reply to somebody else's thread. So this is a 2-part thing. You create your submission, right? So you click open the discussion board, then you click create a thread. Then over here you put subject line. What will be the subject line? I'll call it discussion 1. Discussion 1 open source, right? That's just a name that I picked out of my mind. You know, whatever you want to call yours is fine. I don't suggest you type over here. I suggest that you open your document editor. In my case, it's LibreOffice, right? And then you write your explanation over here. I'm pretty sure that in your Windows computer you probably have Microsoft Office. If you don't, you can download LibreOffice from the web. It's completely free. Don't need to pay a penny. And then here you type your explanation. Discussion board 1. And then here, from reading the introduction, I learned that having access to source code is important. It's important because whatever you want to put in there, from watching the videos, I learned and then you type there whatever you want to type, whatever you learn, whatever you find interesting. And once you're done and you have done the spell checking on this, you can copy and then paste it in your submission over here, right? This is more efficient because typing in the WIC editors, it's a pain in the neck. They are annoying, they're difficult to use. So I always recommend you type it here or in, you know, whatever document editor you use. I don't know what your preference is. You type it over here and then you click on submit. Then once you see that somebody else have created another thread, you go there and then you reply to their thread with your opinion. For example, hey, I think that what you said is important, or whatever you want to say. Now, let's go over the rules real quick. You have to create a thread and answer the question. That's obvious. You have to reply to somebody else, because if you don't, I'm only going to give you 50 points because you did half of the work. You're allowed to delete your post as long as nobody has replied to them. If your post, you think that you could have done it better, you know, or for whatever reason you want to delete it, you want to do it again, by all means you're allowed to, as long as somebody has not replied to what you said already. You're allowed to edit it. Even if somebody has replied to your test, you are allowed to edit it. You are not allowed to attach files, because I don't want anybody to have to download a file that you wrote so that they can reply to you. That's just unnecessary. So you're not allowed to attach stuff here. If you do not know how to create a thread, you know, you can message me. Like, we can do it on we can do a live. We can do it on a Google meeting, on a Zoom meeting. But I think this video does well at explaining what you need to do. And yeah, that's about it. When you're responding to somebody else, you need to stick to 3 to 5 sentences. Nobody wants to read a Bible here. Nobody, just don't give me this well-detailed essay. I'm not asking for that. You're doing too much. Stick to the limit. 5 to 8 sentences on your reply, right, on your thread. 3 to 5 sentences on your reply to someone else. Like, don't overdo it. You're not going to get more grade just because you wrote more. That's just not going to happen. Stick to the limit. You know, this is a 20-minute, 30-minute work. It shouldn't take you 3 days to do it, because I'm not asking you to write an essay, just an opinion. The only way to get this wrong is if you don't answer the question. Like, there are no wrong opinions. It's your opinion at the end of the day. But if you don't address the question that you're being asked, then you get it wrong, because if I ask you what's your name is and you give me your address, I still don't have my answer. Yeah, that's about it. Discussion boards are straightforward, simple. It's an easy way to earn your grade. With that said, if you have any questions, Slack me, message me, or talk to me during class. Take care.